This is our table. We work on this table a lot and we're putting concrete over the top. This is an overlay technique that we normally do for kitchen counters, but we decided we were going to do the top of the table and we're going to show you the process. So this is going to be the video of how we refinished the outside table in a gloss epoxy stone finish. Hope you guys enjoy! Okay guys, so to start with, we took the old finish off. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy watching that. There's loads of fun. Then we attached height spacers. These are exactly 15 millimeters high. There are one at the top and one at the bottom. We laid a bunch of concrete mix out on the table. We wet it, mixed it together. The mixing sequence is messy and not great. No judgment. We put a brace over the top and we scraped it. After mildly leveling it beforehand, we scraped it flat. Then we gave it a little bit of time to dry, a little bit of time to cure slightly, and we came back and we scraped it in the opposite direction to fill in some of the holes. And then I floated it with a metal float, and we just sprinkled some oxide powders in, refloated, oxide powders, refloated, just to get a baseline color. We're going to be covering most of this up again. But I find if there's color depth in the base coat, then the texture of the top coat is much better. You guys will see when it's finished. you.